Good evening, everyone. I can see
Good
some familiar faces, my old friends who've logged in. So we have around 49 participants, not bad at all. And I think it's the Indian mentality. Everybody will sign up in the last moment. The last 2 days, I think our interns have been struggling really to send messages, send the tickets, and give them the confirmations, all those things.
And actually, we've had so many inquiries after the extended deadline also.
Yeah, yeah. No, even after we closed the link, there were more inquiries. So
No, we
congrats,
had
Anya.
extended it till
And
2, but even then,
yeah, Aditi, Pranavi, all of you. So I'm
Anya,
actually I'm
Nandini.
not a great fan of Tombola, please. I'm really not a great fan of this. But when you people suggested this, and I was just wondering, will people really be interested? Will they spare time on a Saturday evening and come and join us? But I can see it's quite a popular pastime for people. And what are the way to gather together for a good cause? An evening of joy and fun, and then it's a nice occasion wherein we get to meet all the people. The circumstances that we are in now, everything has to be online. The studies is online, entertainment is online, everything is online. So I'll leave the floor to you girls. I think we can start, isn't it? Are you want to wait for
Neera,
one more?
let's just wait for everybody to come in. How many participants are there, Anya?
Currently, we have 50, and we've had at least like 55 responses on our form. So at least 5 more people should be there.
Okay, so we just wait. Oh, by the way, just to be on this thing, there are 2 people playing on the tickets which I bought. So there'll be more participants than what you expected. So I think a lot of people have bought a lot of tickets, so they will be sharing with their family members.
True.
They buy it in a bulk. So, okay. So just let's, okay, 50 people have come in. And
Do we have any new faces here who are not part of the Asha team? Please, I would love to hear from you. Some faces and names I don't know. Maybe
Hi.
Kanti, you know them, or
Yes,
yeah,
I'm Pratya Gupta. I'm friend of Manisha.
okay. Hi.
Yes.
yeah,
Only I'm wondering that ticket, if we cancel, I have to write ticket, right? It's not getting downloaded. It's on WhatsApp. So
no,
I
it's
made.
okay.
Yeah.
That's okay. So you tell your ticket number.
You can copy and
Ticket
paste
number
on
you
the
want?
word.
Acha. Okay. That time only I need to tell you.
Yes.
Is it? Okay.
I
You
hope
can
you
copy
girls do have a
and paste it on
copy.
the
Yes, indeed.
copy and paste it on the word, edit it, and
Yes.
then print it.
Yes. No, but right now I don't think you can do that. It's completely fine to do it on the paper. And more videos on, please.
Yeah. Come on, people. We'd love to see.
We're seeing more black than we are seeing any faces.
No, Kanti
Hello.
Pragya's query was solved.
Yes, I think she has. I told her to write it down, and anyway, the kids do have the copies of it. So if they have the number, Pragya, just to make sure you have the number of your ticket properly.
Okay, I just check it.
Yeah.
Okay, she makes a note of those numbers on a paper and then she'll mark it.
Yes.
Meera ma'am, I had sent Pragya her tickets on WhatsApp, so I have her the ones I sent. I don't think those tickets had numbers because it was very last minute. So
Okay.
I have those numbers. I'll cross check.
No, that's okay, Aditi. But
No.
let her do the correct. Let her
Right,
do the.
yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay. So let her do it, and then you have the copy anyways.
Yeah.
With the number of the ticket number. So more people, please. More videos.
No ticket number as such in that.
There
There is
is.
a serial number.
There is a serial number.
Yeah.
That is the ticket number, isn't
The
it?
ticket are there,
Yes.
but no. Yeah. Okay. Fine. I get it.
Yeah, Aditi has it, she's saying, so she will take care of it.
Okay.
No. Anisha, let her play. Let her
Yeah.
play. Let her look at it.
Okay, fine.
Okay, I believe now.
Thank you, Pragya, for joining in last minute. Huh?
It's okay. Sare Manisha.
Yeah. So Anya, I think we can start now. I'll leave the floor to
Yes.
you.
One of you, please
Yeah.
do tell the rules of how to say if they have,
Yeah.
what are the rules and everything.
Right now, Aditi will be speaking.
Okay, good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us in the first edition of our Asha Tambula fundraiser. We really appreciate the fact that you took out some time of your busy schedules and came to support us in this noble cause. So, audience, let me introduce myself. I am Aditi Rao. I am in grade 12 and I'm a student intern at Asha. With me, I have Anya Singh Dhankar. Fun fact, Anya actually has designed the Python code. She's written the Python code that will generate the numbers and we will be announcing it from them. Pretty cool, right? Anya, would you like to say a few words?
Right. Like I said, I'm Anya. I am a 12th grade student at Jamnabai Nasi International School. And I've been interning with Asha for the past year as part of the distance reading program. Now I've taken this initiative to the Asha Tambula fundraiser. And before that, I'd created a Python program. I can share that with you guys right now. And how it works is it just gives you a random number, and what the advantage is that now it's more fair, and you know that the numbers you're getting are not manipulated, they're produced by a computer, not a human. In fact, most of the tickets that have been sent out to you guys have also been generated using another Python program. And my program, simply what I do is if I put in anything, it will give me a random number. That's how it works.
Okay. Thank you, Anya. Now, please meet Pranavi CS, who has helped us a lot with the logistics of this whole event. Pranavi, would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Hi everyone, my name is Pranavi. I'm a 12th grade student and a student intern at Asha Infinite Foundation. I've been working with Asha for a year now. I volunteer with the DRP as well as many other parts of Asha. My experience has been really wonderful and I'm hoping to have fun with all of you here today.
Okay, thank you. Well then, everyone, let me tell you something really interesting about Asha. The foundation of Asha actually began at a children's park in Jogeshwari in Mumbai. The founder and CEO of Asha, Mrs. Meera Raman, started teaching young children with the hope that one day all children of India will be able to see the light of education. Since then, we have never looked back. We have volunteers from all over India and even abroad who have joined hands in helping us achieve our vision of eradicating illiteracy. Be it teaching children, bonding with volunteers, or hosting events like these, Asha has always been a place where all ideas and people are welcome. Since 2013, we have grown so much in terms of our network and reach. We have devised our very own distance reading program, mobile mentor program, and many such. We have given opportunities to students to showcase and make use of their skills for the greater good. As you could tell, everyone at Asha really cares about one another and their students. Now, who better to share Asha's journey than Mrs. Meera Raman herself? So, Meera ma'am, would you like to say a few lines?
Evening, everyone. So thanks for joining and taking time and participating in this lovely event. As you can see, it's been managed by our interns totally. We've not helped them in any which way. They've been eagerly and they've put in a lot of efforts. Yeah, so if I have to start off with Asha's journey, then I think you won't have enough time to play the game today. So let's not get going there. But a couple of things I would like to tell you briefly, that after we shifted to this online platform, which is say 1.5 years, when is it, Kanti? We started this?
But
You're
we
on
started
mute.
in the month of April 2020.
Yeah. So that is when we took this up online, and ever since it's been online, we've been having inquiries and registrations of teachers and students from all over the country, and we've had teachers register from abroad too, which is really, really heartening, and encourages us to do better work. And this pandemic has been a tough time for everybody, wherein we are stuck indoors, and a lot of problems all around, and it's a grim and dismal situation. So you just imagine how it is going to be for children out there, poor children out there, who don't have their own space. There's no school to go to, and the parents are facing financial problems, health issues, no routine, no entertainment, no learning. So just imagine what is happening to that kind of a child. So that is where, when we took our program online, we said we will reach out to students who, in spite of the digital divide, will be able to register for our program. So it happens over a simple phone call. So phone is a regular phone is something that most of the people will have nowadays. So that is how we started off with an audio class, and the numbers have just been increasing. That's all, each day. We have more than 50 registrations of students and teachers a week. That is the kind of flow we are getting. And I must say, I have to really thank all the coordinators who have been working day and night. We have 20 coordinators who really passionately, tirelessly work from morning till the night, just to make sure that this whole system works. There is a teacher orientation, there's a teacher induction, there's a student orientation team, there's a student teacher training team. So we have like a corporate setup. All teams are there, team leaders are there. The only thing is we're not being paid. None of us are being paid. That's all. So other than that, we work very passionately and professionally. So it's great. It's been a great journey. And this fundraiser event that we are having today is because of the enthusiasm of all these interns. And we plan to use this as seed money for a project called Mobile Dan, wherein we want to reach out to students who cannot afford a phone. They don't have a phone at hand, but they're still interested in signing up for our registering for our program. So we'll send a mobile to them. So we're looking at mobile, say around 500, 600 rupees, one mobile, and a hard copy of our book. That comes up to around 600 rupees, so around 1,200 rupees, something like that is what we are planning out for one child. And we've already had a lot of inquiries. I'm sure there will be. And this will be the seed money for that project. And thank you all for supporting us, encouraging us, and being there with us. And each one of you, as a volunteer, as a coordinator, as a person who just maybe simply forwarded an Asha message to another friend of yours, you are also doing an excellent job, because that is what we need. We just need everybody to support us and be there with us in this beautiful journey. And over to the girls. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Meera ma'am. Okay, let's get started, shall we? Okay, so this is how the whole program is going to work. Anya will run her code and she will generate numbers. Aditi, Anya, and I will be announcing these numbers. They will also be typed in the chat box or on the Tambola board, which is going to be shared on the screen. In case you miss it, you can cross-check. If you have multiple tickets, like a lot of tickets, if, for example, for a category called 4 corners, it has to be 4 corners on one ticket, not all of your tickets, not one corner in each ticket, 1 corner in one ticket. One category has to be fulfilled in one ticket. If you complete any of the categories, please raise your hand or unmute yourself and call out that you have finished, and we will cross-check the numbers. And you don't know, you might be having an exciting prize coming your way. For the purpose of making this game engaging for everyone, every category will have only one unique winner. If you won more than one categories, we will be rewarding you the first one only. Well, then let's get started. Over to Anya.
Okay. So just so that we can visualize and we know how the rules work, this is just a model ticket. It's not anyone's ticket. We have 5 categories, and each line can be awarded to twice. And we have 1 4 corners, we have first 5, and we have 2 full houses. Now, just so that all of us know, 4 corners work if you have like these 4 corners. If you have a different ticket with for example, the yellows, then your 4 corners will be this one and this one. Doesn't matter if it's in the first row, second row, third row. Just the first 4 corners, one on the top, one on the bottom, on each side. That's 4 corners. First 5 works by you just having 5 numbers from your ticket circled out. Then lines work if the numbers in the whole line are all called out, then you can raise that point. And the full house is all your numbers are gone. All right. If there are any confusions, you can ask us right now or type it in the chat.
Hi, can you open the chat?
Anya, it says nobody can chat in this.
Yeah, I
The
think
host says,
you can chat to me, right?
but you know what? Let it be that everybody can chat so that everybody can see.
All right.
And also, I hope you have something in place wherein you have multiple people getting the same thing. So you have a system in place that will deal with it.
Right. Like Pranavi said, the person who gets the prize for the first time is the one who get it. And for lines, we have 2 each. And we have the top line, middle line, bottom line. That's the name of the...
I think Deepika ma'am wants to say something.
Right.
Unmute yourself, Deepika.
I'm ready. So, Anya, could you repeat those again? The first 5 lines and the 4 corners one more time for people like me who are playing for the first time.
Yes, sure. Most definitely.
Point at the numbers, not at the yellow beside it. Point at the numbers themselves.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That is what confused me.
Right. Bye-bye. Okay, so the 4 corners are just the first number on your top line, the last number on, the first number on your third line, the last number on your first line, and the last number on your third line.
Usual 4 corners, that's all, nothing special.
And if you don't have a number on this side, if you have a number which starts on the third space of your third line, then that's the one which will be considered for your 4 corners.
So it's very simple. The first number on the first line, the first number on the third line, the last number on the first line, and the last number on the third line. Doesn't matter which place it is in the 10 columns that is there.
And the yellows are simply like, they're just fillers. That's no number. That's not going to be considered.
Yeah, it is just for visual appeal.
Understood. And first 5 is just 5 numbers that you've got. Now you can raise that I've got the 5 numbers. And we have in the chat the different categories. So for reference, you can go through that also. Fine, then should we get started? Everyone's comfortable. I'll be running my code. Meanwhile, Pranavi should be sharing her screen.
Perfect.
Right.
Can you see my screen?
Yes. Yes, please go ahead.
Okay, here we go. The first number is charity begins at 51, 51, 51. 51, 51. 27, 27.
2, 7, 27. 3 times 3, 2, 7, 27.
7, 8, 78.
Heaven's Gate, 78. 7, 8, 78.
Grandma at 85, 8, 5, 85. 8, 5, 85. Next number, 2, 6, 26.
2, 6, 26. 2, 6, 26.
Double 2, 2, 2, 22.
2 little ducks, 22. 2, 2, 22.
Next up, lucky couple, 7, 2, 72. 4, 4, 44.
All
4,
the 4.
4, 44.
Do we have any first fives yet?
We
Someone want to say something?
Is it a little early for a first 5? I don't think we have a first 5.
Okay, we'll continue then.
no, I just said we need better numbers.
Oh, okay, okay.
Ah,
Let's see.
we'll ask the Python code to give better numbers.
Exactly. Nobody's choosing the numbers.
Okay, then let's just get back to it and hope for luck. 4, 7.
Okay, I think somebody said yes.
Kishore, tell us.
Yes.
You know, mute yourself. And tell us.
Yes, me too. 47, you said?
Yeah, 4, 7.
Gokula.
I was about first 5 on ticket number 1068.
1068.
Gokula, what's your ticket number 2?
1140.
Would you like to read out the numbers for us just to check?
Yes, mine is 27, 47,
Yes, go on.
72, 78, and 85.
Okay, that's great. You're our first winner. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Can we please have your name?
Meera Hegde.
Hello.
Yes, please go ahead.
Yes.
Yes, I got Jaldi 5.
All right, can you read out the numbers for us that you got?
Ticket number is 1140, ma'am.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, then let's keep hoping for luck and let's get back to the game. Next number, only numbers.
Jaldi 5, ma'am.
Yeah, you got the prize. Cool.
Okay.
What's your name? Your name?
Gokula.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, next number is only number 7. The voting age and even the age that when you can get your COVID vaccine now, 1/8/18.
1/8/18.
Next up, 8/3/83.
India wins the Cricket World Cup, 8/3/83.
1/7/17. Dancing Queen,
1/7/17.
3/9/39.
3/9/39.
We got 5 in one category.
Oh, too late. Now we're already over that category. So only 5 is gone.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
You still have the line, full house, and 4 corners. So watch out for that.
And Anya, 1 minute. you said dancing something. Was that for 17 itself?
Yes.
Okay.
Dancing Queen 17. Correct.
Ma'am, we're typing all the numbers in chat if you want to see.
You also can see on the screen because there's a number. I mean, there's a board. Tambola.
Yes, yes. But yeah, when she said it, somebody spoke. So I was wondering if that was two different things. That's all. Thank you. Thank you.
All right. No problems. Next number 4848. 4 dozen. 4848. 1010.
1010.
3838.
3838.
Any four corners yet? Okay, looks like no. The next number.
No. Python is churning out numbers where nobody is getting the four corners.
Python isn't being fed, you guys. Okay. Okay, the next number. Women get flirty at 30. 3030.
Would anyone who's got the number 30 like to introduce themselves? Just to keep the conversation going.
Yes, I got it. Yes, I got 30.
Yes. Would you like to introduce yourself, please?
My name is Ansh.
Okay. And what grade are you in, Ansh?
I'm in 6th grade.
Ansh, would you switch the video on so we would like to see you? We'd like to see how littlest of our participants are. Okay, that's nice. Thank you, Ansh. It was very sweet of you to come on.
I also got 30. You're welcome.
Who is this?
Misha.
Introduce.
I'm 10 years old.
Oh,
hi, Misha.
That's
Meet you.
Tell us something about yourself, Misha.
I got 30.
I love sketching and painting.
okay. And where do you study, Misha?
Excuse. I study at Hiranandani Foundation School International.
Okay. That's nice.
Meet you.
Excuse
got 30.
Excuse me, is 30
Yes.
Not 30. Ansh, you can check the numbers in the chat. You can check the numbers in the chat, Ansh. And she has.
Hi, Kanti.
Yeah, Suman.
I too got 30. I
Okay.
congratulate even all of you for all this, wonderful opportunity given to us. Thank you.
I think the credit goes to all the interns. Yes, Auntie.
I also got 30.
That's wonderful, Auntie. So this is Manjula ma'am, who is the head of our Kannada department, and she is doing an amazing job. You have no clue how many people are getting helped by the work she's done. And so
I am very happy. Yeah. These youngsters are doing wonderful job.
Yes, yes.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಅರ್ಥ
And
ಆಗತ್ತಾ?
there's only
Everybody can
few of them
understand?
who speak Kannada.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ.
Okay. So Sangeeta and Preeti also got 30. So let's.
What is
there
the number?
any prize for getting 30?
Everybody is getting 30. What is speciality in that?
Exactly.
I think we are getting flirty.
30 at 30, yes.
So we are beyond 30. Thank you so much. Yeah. So let's go forward. Anya, Aditi.
Yeah, sure.
Ranavi.
Let's go to our next number. President Salute 2121. 21.
21.
Next number 4545.
4545. Halfway there.
No lines, nothing. Nobody has any line, like, all the 5 numbers in the same row. No 4 corners. Wow. It's a tough one.
Python is up to some mischief.
Exactly, it looks like.
Okay, then let's go to the next number. 2 dozen, 2 4 24. 2 4 24. Let's hope this is your lucky number. 3 6 36.
3 6 36.
Anybody got 36? Like any rows?
Ansh, yes, I got Ansh.
Yes, Ansh. Did you
I
win
got
some?
36. I got 36.
Python is not being fair. I only got 2 numbers.
So what are you going to do about it? Are you going to hit the Python now, or maybe get some kind of a music thing? I don't know what it's called.
I actually used the
Get a
same,
new one.
used the same Replit to create Python codings.
That's great. Maybe we can.
Python is not being fair.
No, right? That happens. That's really interesting to know that you're also using the same software as me. Maybe you can exchange programs after the game. Sure.
Yes, you can get in touch with Anya.
Okay, moving on.
Moving on. Next number that we have is 7676. Any prizes? What?
Any rows? Anything at all?
Just check all your corners just in case. Not the ones in your room, the one in the ticket. Fine, then let's move on to the next number. It's 1919.
Last of the teams, 1919.
Next number, Gandhi's breakfast, 8080. 8080. Okay, so I just found these words online, but does anyone know what's the significance between Gandhi's breakfast and 80?
That's something new to me too. So I was wondering where you got it from.
It would be really cool if one of our 57 participants could tell us if they know anything about it. 60, my bad.
Anyone? Okay. Anya, let's move on.
60 of us are in the same boat. Then let's go to the
Found
next
a thing
number.
to Google after the game.
Yes, true. Lucky blind 7070. Another one of the tens. Did anyone get any lines or 4 corners?
Any luck?
Looks like your Python is winning than anybody else, man. Nobody is winning, only Python is.
All right, then let's keep going. 2828.
2828.
Next number 8686.
Last 6, 86, 86.
All right, half a century 5050. 5050.
Yeah, I've got the first row in ticket number 1019.
That's lovely. Who is this?
Manogna.
Okay, Manogna. Would you mind switching on your video, please?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Are you affiliated with Asha? Would you?
Yeah. Even I'm a volunteer of Asha.
Would you like to tell us a little bit about yourself and maybe tell what do you do at Asha or Just 2 or 3 lines about why you like it here.
Yeah, sure. So I've been with Asha with nearly 1.5 months. It's really a great experience for me. And yeah, I've taught 2 students already, and I'm taking a new student from Monday. Yeah, I'm really excited to teach to a new student.
Okay, that's really
Okay,
interesting.
thank you.
Can you please tell your number so that we can cross check?
Yeah, sure. Number 10, 30, 50, 76, and 80.
Great. The prize.
This was the first line.
Yeah, first line.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Anya, I got four corners.
That's awesome.
Is it Apurva?
That's nice,
Yeah.
Apurva.
Okay.
So
Your
the
video,
numbers
please.
are
Apurva has got.
I know.
yeah, the numbers are 18, 83, 19, and 70.
Great. Congratulations. Would you like to tell us a little bit about yourself and the work that you do at Asha? I know you helped
Oh,
this.
she's been a student intern like you guys. She worked from the time she was in the engineering college.
Yes, it's been close to 3.5 years now. And I handle the social media accounts for Asha.
And I must mention, Apurva has been a very, very great help in advertising all of this event and like helping me out in other facets also. So I should really appreciate her and call her out on that. So thank
She's
you.
not very great at articulating about herself, but even I must add, she has been a great team player, and she just spoke about handling the social media. But I would like to add that she's sort of any troubleshooting, any problem with technology, any. So all we do is a shout out to Apurva. Yeah, what do we do? What do we do? So she's always there for us.
True, absolutely agree. Okay, so on that note, let's continue on to our next number. Let's see what Python gives us. Next number is Murgi Chor, number 4. Only number 4. That's
This is
my
4.
favorite number. Is it lucky for any of you?
Finally have. I just find the line catchy.
Same. Murgi Chor, number 4. Now let's go to the next one. 6666.
Chakke pe chakka, 6666.
Did any of you guys get a chakka now?
I got 66.
Yay, Ansh.
Awesome.
Okay.
So yeah, right
His
now-
name is Vihan.
Yeah. He is Arch.
Sorry?
He is Arch.
Oh, sorry. Hi, Vihan.
All right, just to clarify, right now, first line is gone, the 4 corners are gone, and first 5 is gone. Right now, we're playing
I
from
have
line, bottom
put up
line.
the categories in the chat box for reference.
Right.
Yeah. The top line's gone, the 4 corners are gone. You have only the middle line, last line, and full house.
But there are 2, right?
Yes, each
Not just
category
one.
has 2 winners. So we have 1 more top line and 1 more 4 corners left.
Yes.
Hello. We got
Yes,
a 4
sir.
corners in ticket number
109.
in 1096.
Okay. Could you please switch on your video? And who is this?
The numbers I got are 4 for ticket number 1096. They are 4, 7, 80, and 86.
Awesome, that's great.
Okay, you can continue.
Okay, I believe that let's go back to the Python.
Was this for 4 corners?
Yes, this was the second 4 corners that we've had.
Okay.
Okay, the next number is 1 dozen, 1, 2, 12. A dozen, 1, 2, 12. Seven, 5, 75. 7, 5, 75. Next number, the last one on our board, 9090. The top of the board, 9090. Right then. Next up, the grandpa age, 8787. 8787. Do we have any grandpas playing with us right now today?
Yes or no?
I don't know about grandpas, but nobody's coming. Okay.
Yes.
So Gokula is saying yes for something.
Gokula, you've already won one prize. More than that, you will not be eligible.
Hey, this is another ticket, ma. Middle line, 1144.
Oh, great.
Ticket number 1144.
So she usually wins wherever she goes.
She's famous for that.
Gokula. No, you go ahead and tell the numbers, Gokula. Mention the numbers.
Okay. 7, 36, 45, 75, 87.
That's
okay.
Awesome. Now we can't ask you again to tell us about yourself, but tell us about your winning strategy. How are you so lucky?
Like that.
Okay, cool. I guess you want to keep it a secret. So let's move on to the next number. It's 4343. Pain in the knee, 4343.
Yeah, I got top line.
Oh, great. Tell us, first, please tell us your name, introduce yourself, and tell us the numbers you got.
Sangeeta Kedia. Sangeeta Kedia, ticket number 1160.
Okay.
Can you read out the numbers in your line for us?
On your camera and introduce yourself.
Oh, sure. Yeah, I am Sangeeta Kedia and I have been with Tasha from, I think, last 7 to 8 years. Yes, Meera?
Yes.
Yes, from the beginning.
Yeah, when Meera was in Mumbai only. So it's nice to be here.
Yeah, yeah.
Shall I call my number?
Yes, please.
They say some people are the pillars of an organization who are there from the beginning, and they are the strength of the organization. So Sangeeta is one of them. She single-handedly managed the Mumbai center for some years now. And she's always been with us and enthusiastic and hardworking as ever. Glad to have you in the team, Sangeeta.
Thank you, Meera. The numbers are 12, 22, 43, 66, and 86.
Awesome. Great. So now just to clarify, we were done with the second top line, and I believe Gokula ma'am, she won one middle line, right?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. So we have one middle line left, 2 bottom lines left, and 2 full houses. Go ahead and grab it fast.
I think Python has to help them.
Python has suffocated and eaten all the numbers.
Very possible. Okay then, pack with 2 jokers, 5, 4, 54. Okay, next number, 5, 8, 58.
Time to retire, 5, 8, 58.
Only number 3.
We got middle line. This is Deepika.
Then I have a middle line.
Oh, great.
Deepika switched on her mic fast.
Let's have a fight.
No, I haven't
Yeah.
got.
No, you know what? Why don't you call out another number? Whoever gets it first will get the prize.
That is cheating, yeah, Kanti. Cheating.
No, Deepika, you are one of our coordinators, man. So you have to give in to that.
Who is the other person who won?
Deepthi.
Deepika should be the one.
You please switch on your camera and introduce yourself now. You will have
My camera is on, but I'm having a power cut here.
Okay.
I have my camera.
Deepthi, are you with Asha? Are you with Asha?
Yeah, I am a volunteer at Asha. Yes, I've been volunteering since a month.
Okay.
Okay, so I have a fun way to figure out this competition. So I'm going to read out a statement about Asha, and whoever can give me the right answer will get the prize.
It would not be too fair because Deepika is somebody who is in the coordination team.
Go ahead. Let's keep it going. Doesn't matter.
Ask me the question.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Asha. Okay, Asha has impacted 1,500 students in how many cities?
That's a lot of cities. We were with just 3 cities before pandemic. Now it's so many cities. We cannot.
You want a number, Deepika. You can't get away from that.
A lot is not a number.
Not is not a number. Okay. 51. The guess.
Okay. Deepthi, would you like to guess?
Don't hold me again.
I don't know, maybe 5, 6.
Guys,
Okay, so
between both.
The hint was
my
the number that we've called. It's the only number 3.
No, the centers were 3. Now,
Exactly, I told you that. We were 3. That was past.
okay, clearly this hasn't helped.
Aditi, how many cities are we in? Even I don't know.
According to my statistic, it says 3.
No, that is at the beginning.
Then you have
online is different.
the latest details then.
Give me a week's time, I'll tell you the detail.
No, I have people right here from Cochin and Pune and Mumbai, Bangalore, Mysore,
And Deepika is staying in America right now.
Exactly. So I think we are in around 15 to 20 cities. But like Kanti said, give us 2 days, we'll work that out and tell you. So
We'll give you the right number.
covering one city each day.
And I'm still close, okay? I got a double digit and Deepthi said 5. So I should get it.
Deepthi, do you have any arguments? Sorry?
Let's go in the Bronx and like fight it out. Which one of you wins? Violence. Yeah.
Let them speak amongst each other, yeah. Continue.
You can continue to fight for your right, but let's continue for now and we'll get back to you. Okay, the next number, quarter of 100, 25, 25.
Just a second. Deepika, which category did you say?
Last line.
And the ticket number is 1082.
Sorry, could you repeat the category?
Middle.
Okay, thank you.
Ananya.
The last line has gone, correct?
Yeah, last line. I have the last line.
And like there was a confusion between 2 people, correct?
Yeah, my ticket number is 1088.
So Anupama has 1088.
No, sorry, 1089.
Okay, sorry, 1089. Deepika, what is your ticket number?
1082.
Okay. Pranavi, Aditi, Anya, I hope you guys are making note of who's won what.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Where is the numbers?
Yes, please.
25, 39, 44, 76, and 83.
That's great. Congratulations. You got the last line.
Thank you.
Can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Anupama, you can unmute yourself and say a few lines about yourself, please. Can you introduce yourself?
I'm a close friend of Meera. We were staying in the same society in Jogeshwari. I know her from the day she started the Asha Foundation. And she's a great worker. And she is a singer also. She was in our singing group. So we were great buddies there. And I still miss her here. Sometimes we talk on the phone or message. Still we are in contact. Thanks, Meera, for sending me the message.
Welcome, anytime, anytime.
Yeah, that was really interesting to know. And now let's get back to our next number. Next number is pack of cards 5252. 5252. Moving on to the next number. Unlucky for some, but is it lucky for you? 1313.
Did you know in 2013, Asha Infinite Foundation began with 3 students and 2 teachers in a park in Jogeshwari in Mumbai?
So 13 is a lucky number for Asha.
Is it a lucky number for you?
Yeah, I believe there is no about the number.
Okay.
Lucky
Let's
number
continue
for
then.
me. I have
Ma'am,
13.
I got lucky number 13.
That's
okay.
It's normally unlucky.
Did you win a...
So Deepika, did you get any line?
I didn't get a line though. I got middle line. Nobody's talking about it yet.
We'll sort that debate out.
Okay, then the fight is getting really close. Only few numbers to go. The next number is 7171. 7171. Moving on to the next number. One more time, 7979. 7979.
Anyone?
All numbers are filling up fast.
Exactly. It's going to be a close one.
I only see them filling up on the tambola, not on my paper.
Python is at fault.
I know.
Absolutely, yeah.
Python is eating the good numbers and then vomiting out the bad numbers.
That's a nice way to look
Absolutely, yeah. Fine then, let's hope this one is a nice number for you. 5555.
All the 5.
I
Five,
have
five,
the last line.
Okay. Good, Deepti.
Is this Deepti?
Yes.
Thank God.
Okay, the
We don't
debate
have
is sorted then.
Yeah.
So what did you get, Deepti?
The last line.
Okay.
Can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
I am a civil engineer and I recently completed my post-graduation. I'm looking for work. So in the meantime, I thought I should do some volunteering, which I've been wanting to do for quite some time, but I couldn't. So I thought this is the time and I joined Asha. And I'm happy that I'm doing it now.
Okay, that's
Great. Nice to have you in the team, Deepti.
Thank you.
So now that there's no more dispute, Deepti won
Yes,
on the last
Deepika,
line.
you won the middle line.
Yes.
Okay, then everybody, we have only 2 full houses to go. So buckle up, keep looking at your tickets and hope to win.
And best of luck. Next number, 3333. Three, 33.
Buck up, everyone. Or buck up Python.
Please, like,
Okay, then 4-1-41.
Life's just begun. 4-1-41.
Life just begun, but this game is about to get over. Come on, guys, get numbers and win the prizes. Okay, next number.
It's your Python's fault, Anya.
Yeah.
oh, this was a good number. Just repeat like this again.
Okay, as you said.
Okay, let's hope for good numbers.
Cross our fingers.
Next up, big fat lady, number 8. Only number 8. Did the lady bring you any luck?
Or is Python the problem again?
You just repeated.
Yes, dear Anya, she brought me luck. I need only 8 numbers more to collect the full house.
Manisha, you're
repeat again like this. Python is causing me and helping out.
Manisha, you have a long way to go.
One row.
I know. That's why I said I need only.
I have completed one row.
You have completed one row?
Congrats.
You're working for the full house
now. First line, middle line, 4 corners, and bottom line is all gone. We're just working towards full.
Middle line.
No, it's all over.
It's all gone. Middle line is gone. Only full house now.
Okay.
Ansh needs 4 numbers for the full house.
Nice.
All the best.
Well, then let's try to get a number which you may like. Moving on to the next number. Only number 1.
Are you number 1? Only number 1.
Deepika.
Number
you
1.
won what?
I didn't win anything. I'm just number 1.
Okay.
Okay. Then the next number. Is there any suspense yet? 5-6-56.
Pick up a 6. 5-6-56.
5-6 అయ్యింది తిరిగి 5-6.
Only number, once again, only number 2.
One little duck, number 2.
Building up suspense and yet no one is getting anything. Come on, guys. Next, 5-7-57. It's mutiny here. 5-7-57.
Sorry, number 2 is not cancelled on the board.
Is the bottom line all done? Is the bottom line all done?
All the lines
Yes, we're just doing full house now.
I think Pranavi has to do this.
Pranavi, can you please update the board and like cross out the 2 as well?
2 and the 57. Okay, there seems to be some kind of issue. All of you can see the numbers in the chat box as well. The last number called is 57.
Meanwhile,
Can we have more videos on, please?
Yes, please. Now that the board is not there.
Getting close.
Meanwhile, I'm taking requests for the next number. So do any of you want to share what you want for next number?
15, please.
Lots of numbers, Anya.
61.
I want 14, 29, 31, 42.
I need
61 and
A small
34.
number. 5.
61 and 34.
5,
take any
please.
number that helps me.
53,
So
61,
Python, are you hearing?
I'm conveying all your requests.
I'm so sorry that
Pranavi, you're muted. Yeah.
Okay, so I've heard all
Shall
your
we
requests.
continue?
I'm conveying all of them to Python. Let's hope he listens to me. Let's keep hoping. Let's not.
Did I
Before
miss
we
any number
continue,
so that I can
It's
put it on the screen?
57, Pranavi. I think it's 57. I don't think 58. I mean, if 58 is done, I don't know. But 57. The last number was 57.
58 is done.
Okay, then it's 57. The last number
2
was
and 57.
Yeah.
2
And
and
now,
53.
Misha, which
Only
number
needs
do you
three
do? Misha?
He needs 3 numbers to full out.
Okay, cool.
11.
7. Okay, next number. 5, 7, 50. Oh no, that's done. My bad. 6, 4, 64.
I need a number on my card.
64. Next, we have a crutch and a flea. 7, 3, 73. I'm getting all combinations with 7. Don't know about the only number 7. Wait, only number 7 is gone. Who wanted 7?
Yeah, it's gone. No, I guess he wanted 7 numbers.
Oh, all right. Should we move on?
Yeah. There are no takers, so please move on.
Yes, I believe this. The screen is glitching. Let's hope we can be back. Let's give her a moment. Meanwhile, do any of you guys know any jokes you'd like to share with us?
I haven't gotten a single number on my card.
I got the one about 80. I'm like too curious to find out, so I found out in between. 80 is Gandhiji's 80 is he ate no breakfast. So 80.
Oh, all right. Just saying.
No, that wasn't a joke.
Yeah, it was not meant to be a joke. I said
No,
it's the
what I
information.
said.
Yeah.
What I said. I've got no numbers on my card.
Oh, it wasn't a joke. I thought it was a joke. Okay. So you do need to, Python seems to have you as an enemy right now. So you have an enemy in Python who doesn't want to give a number
is the
on your
cause
card.
of all our problems.
Yeah. So
we're still waiting for Pranavi to join us back, but I did have a question. So I remember we got the only number 8, and that reminded me. Do any of you know about the big fat lady? Who is she? Or where does she come from?
Because there are two zero types, so that's why.
Right, but where have you heard of the big fat lady? Does that remind you of some place, somewhere? Misha, do you know?
It's probably coined by somebody and it just caught on.
Lived in a shoe.
Harry Potter,
The lady who lived in a shoe.
The big fat lady who sings.
Yeah.
In Harry Potter.
You turn on your
painting.
Wait, would you end
this Misha?
Sorry, that's my name.
Yeah.
In Harry Potter, the big fat singing lady in the portrait.
In the painting.
Yes, that's what I was referring.
Yeah.
Oh. So all the Harry Potter fans were supposed to get that immediately.
Yeah, she was vanished from the painting.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. So since we still don't have Pranavi back with us,
let's go on, Anya. Let's
Okay,
go
fine.
on. It's been more than an hour now.
Aditi is anyway putting the numbers up on the chat, right? So we can just double check through that.
Can you put it in the chat?
Our last number was 73. Now, I do have an issue. Some of the numbers could be repeated, so you'll have to let me know if they're already done.
Oh, we would need Pranavi for that.
It's raining near Pranavi's place, so she's having network issues. I'll put in the numbers in the chat and all of you can cross check.
No, because Anya was saying there may be repetitions. So if anybody hears a repetition, please do say it's already done.
Continue, Anya.
Okay.
Let's see.
So we will talk about one fat lady now. Now it's two fat ladies. 88, 88. 68, 68. I believe this is already done.
Is 68 already done?
No, it wasn't done.
No, it wasn't
Any
done.
difference to you? Did you win anything?
68 wasn't done.
No, you just continue, Anya.
All right.
No.
72,
Mira, there's some...
72. Oh, my bad.
Yeah, please go ahead. 72.
72. Next.
Go on.
Any
If
full
anybody
houses
cannot
yet?
unmute yourself, please raise your hand or say in the chat.
Okay.
Any full houses yet?
Vihan,
No.
you're too unlucky. I'm so sorry.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay, Pranavi is back with us. Let's let her share her screen.
Yeah. I had one.
Meanwhile, the next number is 7272.
The last one called.
Okay.
72 was done. 72 was done.
Yeah, that's the last one called 72.
Okay, Pranavi.
No, 72 was done earlier.
All right. Pranavi, can you scratch out 88 and 68 as well?
68.
Okay, we're back and track. Next number 5353.
Back with the joker 5353.
All 8's done. From 8 to 88.
Okay.
So all the fat ladies are on a holiday.
I believe someone wanted this. The only number 5. Only number 5.
Punjab da Puttar. Only number 5.
Yes, I needed it.
I need only 4 more for one ticket, okay?
Okay. Then without any
Only
further
3
ado,
numbers, but I need 6.
okay. Without any further ado, then 6565.
Pranavi's gone off again.
The next number 2727.
Gateway to Heaven 2727.
27 was done.
Yeah, it was done.
27 was already done.
27 done.
606.
Sorry, there seems to be too much of rain, so we are having some technical issues. Bear with us.
Next
Pranavi,
number
5 and 65 as well.
It's getting really close. Next number 2929. 2929.
My first number.
Okay.
Right.
If we had unlucky, you would have got it here.
Click the 3. 6363.
Anyone yet for a full house? No?
And let's move on to the next number, which is 1515. Aditi, would you like to share some interesting fact with 15?
Yes, I do. Just give me a second.
So I'm curious. I want to know what happens if nobody wins.
Someone will
Somebody will have to win.
Is middle row done?
Prizes.
Is middle row done?
All the
Only 3 numbers for the whole.
Array, race is very
Full house.
close. Come on now, Anya. Getting interesting, you know.
Yeah, Didi would. Okay.
Yes. So I have a fun fact for all of you about Asha. Asha has impacted the lives of over 1,500 students in 3 cities, and they have over 150 teachers in the beginning, in the foundation of Asha. Isn't that amazing?
It's amazing.
So a little bit of old data, Aditi.
Yes.
So I think we have around 380 teachers or 400 teachers, Kanti.
400, around 400 presently.
Awesome.
We'll get back to you in a week.
And it's really interesting to know that I'm one of them. So like,
yes.
Okay. Let's get back to the numbers of the Python. Plus 1, 6, 1, 61. 6, 1, 61.
My middle line is done. Middle line already done.
Yes, the middle line is over. We're looking for full house now, Vihan.
A bit too late.
Okay.
Okay, next number, blind 20, 2020.
Next.
3, 4.
It looks like they're
34.
going to be having a lot of people.
Next
Yeah.
number, 3, 4, 34.
Dil Mange Mo, 3, 4, 34.
Okay, 7 times 7.
Mine full
49,
house complicate.
49.
Oh,
I have complicate full house.
Oh, that's
Yay,
lovely.
finally.
Could you switch your video on and tell us the numbers?
This number happened. Can you repeat the just?
No, I'll
34.
Ansh, you can see the numbers on the board, the Tambula board. Who has said they have won the full house? Could you please come online? I mean, switch on your video and call out your numbers.
Oh, I thought I also full.
So is it a bogey?
Can you call out them for us so that we can check?
Anya, I'll call them out. I can see them.
Okay.
He's just showing the picture. Can you just read out the numbers, please?
3, 8, 12, 21, 27, 34, 41, 43, 54, 61, 66, 71, 78, 80, 86.
Very nice.
Wow, first full house is gone. Great.
Congratulations.
May I know the name, please?
I'm playing half of Tanvi.
Okay.
Oh, you're playing on behalf of Tanvi.
Okay, so we have one more house to go, the final prize. So I hope.
Buckle up, everybody.
The number last called was 4949. So if you got that, you can go ahead and scratch it out. 4949.
I think it was 41.
Oh no, 49. 41 is already done. 49 was just done.
Okay.
Okay, then next one. Only number 6.
We have one more house to go. I hope somebody wins. We are all waiting. The last
go
prize.
ahead, girls. We all are getting hungry now. You have not arranged for any snacks. So you better buck up.
Fast.
Okay, next number 6969.
Ulta Pulta, 6,
Now
9.
you're coming
69.
there, Anya. Thank you.
Did that help you? Are you on the track to gain the last prize?
Yes.
Okay, great. 3, 2, 32.
Mouthful, 3, 2, 32.
Got it.
Yay, okay.
Okay, that's
Who is
great,
this?
Kamal. Turn your video on.
Yeah.
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
One.
ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು
Okay. So ticket number 1132.
ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾನಲ್ವಾ?
Suman, please mute yourself.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು half an hour ಅಲ್ಲ.
Ticket number 1132. The numbers are 4, 15, 17, 22, 32, 36, 42, 49, 50, 58, 66, 69, 79, 86, 90.
But 42 hasn't been called out yet.
42 is not called out.
Check.
42 is not called out?
Yeah, 42 is not called out.
42 is still on our board.
If 42 was it, I should win too.
Please check the chat box once.
42.
I was disconnected. I might have missed it.
What? Are we done with 42?
No.
Okay.
42 has not been done.
No.
We are
It's
done
not yet
with
done.
So we still
No,
are.
42 hasn't been called out yet.
I think the last number was 32.
Yes.
I think we are done with 77 also.
No.
No, 77. Anya, you said it,
No,
and
no,
then somebody
77.
Yes,
said a full
77
house.
was done.
No,
Yeah,
she
no,
said 77
77
and
is done.
somebody said a full house. So I think you just you
77
stopped
was
it there.
Yeah,
Yes,
77 is done.
It was called out before 14.
No, 77 is not written here also, na, in the chat.
You can't find it in the chat.
Yeah, 77 is not taken.
That's what I'm saying.
57 is
77
done.
was mentioned, and just at that moment, somebody said that full house. They got the full house, the first full house. So that's
Oh.
why, because even I have 77 on my card, but I didn't mark it because when the child asked about it, she said, "Just wait a minute, let's get these numbers." So it
Oh.
was 77 was like kept at
Okay.
pending types.
Continue then, Anya,
Okay.
continue.
I just went through my code, like the numbers that are given, and I cannot find 77. If I
67 is also not done.
No, 67 is not done. 61
Yeah.
was done.
77 called out.
That's what I'm saying. 77 was called out, but I also didn't mark it, though I have it, because just at that moment somebody said that they've got the full house. That was the first full house.
Okay, then Anya will continue.
okay then.
Okay, so 77 is done.
Yes.
Yeah, 77 was done. We take it as done.
Okay, then the next number is 2 heavenly legs, 1 1 11.
Full house.
Anyone?
Full house.
Oh,
Yes.
Suraj.
Anisha.
Good.
Oh,
So
number.
read out the
Name is
numbers.
Suruchi. 1 7. 11 18. 20 25. 33. 48 49. 52. 61. 66. 77. 88. 90.
Would you tell the number of your card, please, Suruchi?
So, 1021.
It is for our records, please.
One more house, full house.
Okay. So, Aditi, Anya, what are you going to do?
So all our full houses are sorted. If you wish to stay back and play one just for the fun of it, then that's also fine with me.
No. You have another caller for full house.
Right.
Who is it?
Oh, at the same time. Wow. Okay.
Not
Yeah.
at the same time. After him.
Suruchi, yeah.
Okay.
Let it forgo.
Quite.
So, good girls, good job. I have to commend you. All three of you have worked very hard. And from all of us, So I just want to tell everybody who's come on that, you know, it was completely a brainchild of three of them, Anya, Aditi, Pranavi, and everybody pitch. I mean, it was only three of them and we just let them take the lead. We just followed their lead. We did what we could, but ultimately it was their show through and through.
Yeah, so that's what I would like to say. All these are interns at ASHA, and they're all students studying in different schools and colleges, and
in different cities.
Yeah, in different cities. It's nice to see young people come forward here and work for a cause selflessly, and then put in all the efforts and their talent and their creativity. And they are learning so much and they're teaching all of us so much. So that's an amazing thing. So that's how our internships work at ASHA. So thank you all. Lovely to have you people here, and good job, interns. Good job. So the floor to you. Anything last minute? Anything else you'd like to add, Anya?
Yes. This was so much fun. We have noted all the names of the winners and will be contacting all of you shortly with your prizes. Thank you so much for your active participation in ASHA's Tombola fundraiser. The fact that so many of you joined shows your eagerness to make a difference in this world. We at ASHA believe in the twin principles of volunteerism and community engagement. We believe that even the smallest of effort can bring light to the lives of a child. Together, we can help bring education to every corner of India. So we want to thank all of you for being part of our journey and showing your support. Now, I wouldn't want to keep you back a lot, but just in case you can stay back, I'd a little more to say. I'd like to thank all of the volunteers and interns who worked on this. It was initially an event which was just between me and Aditi, but along the way, so many interns came up and that was really appreciable. For example, Srishti, Aryan, Apurva, of course. There were so many people. Then the whole social media team, there was Vea, there was Tanisha, and Aditi on Twitter. Yes, and Apurva was taking care of YouTube and Facebook. And Tanvi helped a lot too. Tanvi helped in advertising and reaching out to more people. So all of you, I really appreciate it. And I thank you very much. It was a great experience.
Thanks, yeah, we enjoyed it so much.
Yeah,
thanks for
excellent teamwork.
nice evening. Nice evening. Thank you.
It was lovely.
And
Yeah.
more,
Thanks,
more
Tanya and
fun than winning.
Yes.
Thank you so much. And lastly,
Thanks, Tanya and team. We had a
Bye.
nice Saturday evening fun. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Bye.
Have a great
Good
evening.
job,
Bye.
girls. Keep it up.
Thank you.
All the best.
All the best. Bye. Bye.
ending the
Bye.
meeting.
Thank
Thank you so
you.
much. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.